San Francisco is known for its rolling hills, bay views, and easygoing lifestyle. Its namesake RV resort embodies that persona, perched on a 60-foot bluff overlooking the Pacific, offering all 150 sites an ocean view. Just below, campers can surf, lounge, and explore the tide pools before coming back up to the campsite for a grand showing of Golden Hour. San Francisco RV Resort is 15 miles, an easy commute on public transport, from major attractions like the Golden Gate Bridge, Half Moon Bay, Fisherman's Wharf, and Alcatraz, making it an ideal base camp for tourists. On site, there's a swimming pool and hot tub, plus picnic areas, a general store, and a clubhouse. Most sites come with water, sewer, cable, and electrical hookups, except those right on the ocean, which only allow for dry camping. Additionally, campers have access to laundry facilities, showers, and Wi-Fi.